The following video is a Southwest Industries TRAK K4 CNC milling machine. Steve is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, so the machine is hooked currently into 233 phase for the main machine, and of course 110 volt plug-in for the control, and obviously we need air for the pneumatic drawbar. So currently I'm in high speed, and I'll just turn on the spindle. That happens to be reverse, neutral, brake, forward. That's at 1600. I'm going to wind it down. 600. Beautiful. $3,400. 28. 16. So forth. Brake works well. Okay, I'm going to go to neutral over here so you can indicate your part. Neutral is beautiful. Low gear. Okay. $200. That's in reverse. $22. I'm sorry. Low speed is on this side. That's at 120. 90. Get it back over. Again, neutral. You always got to find the spline on these. There we go. Okay. All right, so real quick. DRO jog mode. X-axis. Power feed. So if I go X, 2 inches, ink set, cable's traveling at 2 inches at the desired feed rate, I can make that go up to 150%. When it hits 2 inches from where it was, it'll stop. Same thing in the Y, negative 1 inch, ink set, go. Okay. DRO mode, DRO mode, I can turn handles. Everything reads, X, 0, absolute, Y, 0, absolute, Z, 0, absolute. Now you've got your readout mode, okay? All right, so we're good there. Good jog, table. That's at 100 inches a minute. Okay, positive. Very smooth. Y. Negative. And of course Z is hand operated. Lubrication works well. I can run a quick circle pattern if you'd like, drill fast. DRO, do 1, pocket, circle, 0 ink set, radius 2.0 ink set, direction 1 ink set. I'm going to go fast just to make a move. Finish feed rate 201. I got a half-inch end mill programmed in 201. Ready to begin. Press go when ready. Start the spindle and go. Set Z. And away we go. probably should have slid it back a little bit more, but so that's your circular program, circular pocket program. Of course, I've got the quill all the way up, but you would bring it down accordingly depending on your depth of cut. And there we go. When you're done, mode automatically shuts the spindle off. You do not have to turn it off up there. There you go.
Again, the preceding video was a Southwest Industries TRAK K4 CNC milling machine.